In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extensions from Google Chrome. Removing unwanted or unused extensions can help improve your browser's performance and security. So let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the browser, where you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open the Chrome menu, which brings up a list of options. Next, from this menu, you'll want to hover your mouse over the More Tools option. Don't click it immediately. As you hover, a new submenu will appear to the side. In this submenu, you'll see an option that says Extensions. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Extensions page. Now that you're on the Extensions page, you'll find a list of all the extensions currently installed on your Chrome browser. Here, you can see the name of each extension along with a brief description. This list provides you with an overview of what you have and may help in deciding which extensions you no longer need. To remove an extension, simply scroll through your list to find the one you wish to remove. Once located, direct your attention to the Extensions box. In the bottom right corner of the Extensions box, you'll see a small trash can icon. Click on this trash can icon, which prompts a confirmation message asking if you really want to remove the extension. After clicking the trash can icon, confirm your choice in the pop-up window that appears. Select Remove, and just like that, the extension will be uninstalled from your browser. It's as easy as that. A useful tip. If you're unsure about an extension and want to keep it for now but not have it active, you can always toggle the switch next to each extension's name to quickly disable it without fully removing it. This way, you can keep it handy and re-enable it when you need it. With that, you now know how to efficiently remove extensions from Chrome. As a final check, revisit your extensions page to ensure the unwanted extensions have been successfully removed. Cleaning up your extensions not only keeps your browser running smoothly, but also helps protect your privacy and data. That wraps up our guide for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.